Hi, I'm Brandy, and today I'm excited to share my Sugarmuses box with you. I am getting mine a little smidge later than usual, or maybe other people are gotten them earlier because I've seen a couple sneak peeks on YouTube and I haven't watched them because I like to be surprised, but I'm really excited by what I've seen so far. So first off, I can smell it. It smells really fragrant. They have this simple label. It's a fairly big box. Let's see what is inside. Alright, so in bulk, so there's an art for in bulk. There's the insert, but we're going to look at that later. Ooh, here's another art. I want to say it's a Bridget's cross, but don't quote me. This is her card. This company is amazing. Get them if you can. Let's move a little bit of this stuff so you can see, peek into my box. Oh my gosh, it's so fragrant. Oh man. Alright. Rosemary. Flower blend. I think I've gotten a flower blend before, but looks like this one's different and probably curated for the season. Of course, there's a salt. It's got a beautiful woman on it. Let's smell it. Oops. I'm salty. Oh my god, it smells like heaven. Heaven. I'm getting like eucalyptus and rosemary, maybe mint. Wonderful. Of course, here's incense. Incense. There's a ritual parchment, which I saved those. I never do them, but I save them because they're so precious. And 4 candles. Here is her winter magic candle. She does these cool little soy candles. Ooh. Beautiful. I'm going to move everything into frame in a second. Let me just move this back. Sorry for the sound effects. Alright, now you can see everything. Oh, just lovely. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Pretty little jewel. Oh, big old quartz. Pretty. Oh, another really cool oil. In bulk ritual oil. Here are all the wonderful contents. Definitely see some rosemary and some other ingredients. Let's smell it. Smells yum. Love it. Smells like exactly like the bath salts. And finally, I saw a peek of this and I was so excited. Oh, it's a bee balm. It's a little broom. It's so beautiful. I'm so psyched. I'm going to hang this on my wall because otherwise my toddler will annihilate it. But it's so lovely. I'm so psyched for this. Oh man, I'm so psyched. Alright, let's read a little bit about it. In bulk, celebrating in bulk in the new year. This is the Deluxe Muse box. There's 2 options. I'm going to leave everything in the description below. But mine is the Deluxe Muse box and I have no regrets. Let me just tell you now. This month we prepare to celebrate in bulk, most commonly held in February 1st or 2nd, as well as take time to cleanse our space and make room for new blessings we are ready to receive this new year. It's been done numerous ways, from spring cleaning your home to clearing the mind and heart to allow inspiration to enter for this new cycle. In bulk marks the halfway point between Samhain and Beltane. If Samhain is the end of things, then in bulk would be the beginning of them. This Sabbath is about preparing the world for the coming planting, physically, mentally, and spiritually. Much of the tradition surrounding this Much of the tradition surrounding this festival is in praise of the goddess Brigid, but even if you do not follow a traditional Celtic or Wiccan path, the celebration can easily be adapted for a number of belief systems. So basically, it tells you a little bit more here. I'm not going to go into it more. So, winter goddess incense sticks. It doesn't really say what the main scent is, but I would say flowers, some kind of flowers. I can't describe it. I'm not very good at scents, describing scents. Invoke salts. These are Dead Sea salts, Epsom salts, lavender, rosemary, peppermint, and rosemary essential oil. Peppermint and rosemary essential oils. Oh man, it smells amazing. Rosemary, of course. So just one last look at this. Then we go to page 2. Get a look at that. Alright, in bulk oil, mint, rosemary, sweet almond, rosemary, lavender, and vitamin E oil. That's going to be amazing for just about any purpose. Hand-poured winter magic candle. It's vegan friendly. Soy candle, dried flowers, lavender, rosemary, essential oil. So that's wonderful. I love the candles. You just have to, don't put this on anything that's flammable because it will burn it, and I know that from experience. Okay, handmade broom, also known as a besom. It is used in the craft to cleanse sacred spaces. Dried flowers as well as a charm, which is right there, a little pentagram, has been added to enhance its magical properties. It is ready for its dedication in which you can bless it and then set it outside under a full moon to be blessed by the goddess. Your room can be used to cleanse away negative energies, or if you wish, use as decor. Handle gently, and that's why it's going to be decor, because the second my kid gets a hold of it, it's gone. Raw quartz crystal, a pendant, which is lovely. It's working with a local jewelry designer. Fine sterling silver pendants, and as well as beautiful gemstone jewelry, similar to the ones seen in past boxes. That's this one. Flower blend. Delphinium, pine cones, jasmine, starflowers, and chrysanthemums. Beautiful. Sprinkle across your Bridget's Cross print. I was right, a Bridget's Cross, yay! White tea lights, Bridget's Cross print, artwork by Christy. Christy is the woman who makes the box. She's beautiful, wonderful magic. And that's it. Again. Alright guys, I am in love with this box. I've told you multiple times, I'm not going to harp on it. I love Sugarmuses. If you can't get a box, I highly suggest it. It is 100% worth every penny. And of course, I'm going to say that without saying that's just my opinion, because guess what? Everything on the channel is my opinion. So, yes. Nice tool. Candle. I do use these candles. The salt I use, I have a lot of rosemary, but you know, whatever, you can always use rosemary. Incense is great, the jewelry is great, all of it's awesome. So there's going to be more information in the description box, a link where you can get the boxes. There's 2 box options. This is the deluxe box. There's a regular Sugarmuses box. This is around $50. I want to say it's $53, but don't quote me. It will be in the description box. It's a monthly box. I believe if you ordered today, you would get February's box. I don't know if you can buy these boxes anymore, the January box. As always, please let me know what you think. Leave comments below. I love chatting with you guys. I'll always respond. If you like this, please give me a like. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. I'm so close, and let me tell you, there's going to be a 100 subscriber giveaway. And it is going to be awesome. And I'll do a video about that when it happens. But just so you know, that's coming up. Stay tuned, because I want to give back to you guys who are sticking with me and doing this journey with me. And otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful night. Bye.